I am giving a demonstration on Alabama Virtual Library. I used this website a lot in high school, but it has changed a lot in 7 years, so I had to familiarize myself with it again. You can type in avl.lib.al.us into the address bar to go to the website, or you can do a quick Google search by typing in Alabama Virtual Library. Alabama Virtual Library's purpose is to provide resources and knowledge to Alabama residents 24/7. It's ad-free, it's safe, and reliable information. I really like how at the top resources are grouped into age groups or ebooks. I'm going to click on the middle school resources. And when you scroll down, you can see that the resources are even broken up into different categories, and you can search. So I'm going to search for Thanksgiving. I've came up with 284,922 results. That's way too many. If I know what I'm specifically looking for, I can go to the advanced search and I can search by the author, the title, journal names, and ISBN numbers, and I can even search for the title and the publication date. Most of the time, though, when I'm searching for an article, I know what I want it to be about, but I don't know the specifics. So I'm going to type Thanksgiving in again. But it's also important to be as specific as you can be to find more reliable resources. So I'm going to type in pilgrims. So when I narrow my search by adding pilgrims in, I find 5,896 results. So that's a lot less than what I started out with, but that's still too many to look through. I can change the publication date. I can change the source type that I'm looking for. I can search by subject and the publication and the publishers. I'm going to click on this source here. And when I scroll down to the bottom, here's my article. And the cool thing here is that I can add this to my Google Drive. I can print it, I can email it, I can save it, and I can cite. I can show more sources, and I can even click on like videos, audios, reviews, books to narrow my search even more. So I'm going to look for a video. And so this here gives me a link to where I can find the video that I'm looking for.